Whether you've just bought an iPhone or have had one for years, this video is for you. In this video, I'll share 10 iPhone apps that you probably haven't heard of, but will find extremely useful, and let's start off strong with Paste. This app essentially improves your clipboard by allowing you to have an infinite clipboard history, which you can categorize into different folders as well. I have found myself using this one a lot for email templates. I still use the standard mail app from Apple as I love the simplicity of it, but it does lack a template function. Paste solved this for me though, as I've created a folder with all my different email templates, which I can keep on using on repeat. The app integrates into your iPhone's keyboard, so the experience is pretty seamless and it works across devices, so you can also use it on your Mac and iPad. Next up is My Mind, a beautifully designed app which basically acts as a folder that you can save anything to. It's kind of like bookmarking a post on Instagram, but then for links, text and images, for example. And adding new items is pretty simple too. Just hit the share button and select the My Mind icon to save it to the app. The best part of this app though is that when you've added a few items, the app will use an AI model to categorize them so that you can easily look them up when you need them. Usually with apps like these you'd have to do that yourself, but My Mind takes that hustle away, which is pretty awesome. The app is also completely free to download and doesn't show any ads, which is pretty awesome as well. Partial is a free package tracking app which is super easy to use. To add a new delivery, you just have to tap the plus button, paste your tracking code, give a name to the delivery and add it to your list. And once it's in your list, you can easily keep an eye on the delivery and even track it on a map, which is pretty neat. The best thing about this app though is that it's also available on the Mac and it syncs your deliveries between devices, which can definitely come in handy. The next app I wanted to talk about is Roamless. This app uses the eSIM that is already in your iPhone to give you internet access when you travel abroad. Now of course you'll still have to pay for the internet, but it's a lot better than having to buy a physical SIM at your destination. I honestly haven't tested it out myself though, as I haven't really gotten the chance yet, but once I travel out of the EU again, I will definitely give this a shot. By the way, the wallpaper that you're seeing in this video is from my Abstract Patterns wallpaper pack V4. I'll leave a link to it in the description in case you want to use it yourself. Getting back to the apps, Clean My Phone is a space cleaner app that utilizes AI to free up storage. It scans through your entire camera roll looking for screenshots, duplicates, blurred images, etc. and deletes those to free up disk space. Besides that, the app can also help you organize your photos and it can test your Wi-Fi speeds, which is pretty awesome. Next up is Widget Beats. This is a widget app with some pretty sick looking Mediaplayer widgets that are also interactive. You can select from 3 different styles, but the vinyl player is obviously the best choice and it works with both Spotify and Apple Music. If you're looking for an app to keep track of movie releases and to keep a list of movies you want to watch, I would recommend this app called Kernel. Within Kernel, you can create playlists for different types of movies, keep track of release dates, and it gives you a bunch of information on a movie when you click on it, like the cast for example. Another app I wanted to share with you is 2 Stories. This one allows you to basically share any link to your Instagram stories with a beautiful design. You can create a new story by going to the app and pasting a link there, or you can just tap the share button and select the 2 Stories app to start the process. From there you can choose from a few different designs and customize them with different colors. I use this app all the time and think it looks really aesthetic. If you're looking for an easy way to create beautiful mockups, I would recommend checking out PopFrame. This app allows you to take any image and turn it into a beautifully designed iPhone mockup, and it has a bunch of customization options as well. You can change the color of the background, the color of the iPhone, and even the direction of the shadows, for example. So yeah, it basically has everything you need. The last app I wanted to share with you is an app that I think a lot of photographers will appreciate, and it's called lsp.evo. This is a color temperature measurement tool that I have found to be pretty accurate, and it will cost you a couple of bucks, but compared to the hundreds of dollars you'd have to drop for an actual light meter, I'd say it's a pretty good deal. Those are all the iPhone apps I have for you today, but if you're also looking for some unique iPhone accessories, I would recommend watching this video next, in which I cover 10 premium iPhone accessories that won't break the bank. As always, thanks so much for watching and I hope to see you soon. Bye!